Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze a part of a clip over in CapCut. So if you want to freeze a part of a clip in CapCut, and it's actually quite easy. So literally all you need to do is open or create a new project by clicking on this massive button right here, or you can simply open a project right here. Once you've done that, in order to freeze a part of your video, for example, when I'm holding up this plant in order to create a cool edit, literally all we need to do is select the entire clip and then exactly where my playhead is, and that is that massive white line you see when you scroll over your over your clip. You guys can see right that's exactly where that freeze is going to be. That exact frame you are currently on is going to be freezed. Alright, so let's say I want to freeze this frame, then literally all I do is scroll to the right over the taskbar right here, all the way to the right till I find freeze right here. Then all you need to do is freeze there, click on freeze, and we can literally see that that exact frame has now been frozen. And in order to make it a little bit longer or shorter, literally all we need to do is hold down this and swipe it to the left or right. And you can then see that when I play this video, it basically freezes that exact frame for just a second, and then it continues the video. That's how you can freeze a certain part of a clip over in CapCut. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.